Hello YouTube, it's Sarita and it's been a really long time since I posted a video on this channel. Today I'm going to be doing a quick little run through my everyday makeup routine. I don't actually wear makeup every single day, but when I do, I usually use the products that you'll see in this video. So if you're interested in seeing that, please keep watching. Okay, so I've already moisturized, so I'm going to go ahead and get started with primer. I'm using the POREefessional by Benefit, and I'm just going to apply a little bit of this all over my face. Okay, so once that's been applied evenly, I can go in with my foundation. I'm using the Fenty Beauty Foundation in the shade 240, and I'm just going to apply that with a beauty blender. Okay, so once that's done, I go in with concealer. I'm using the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer in the shade Medium. Now that that's all blended, I'm going to go ahead and set it. I'm using the Mercier translucent setting powder to do that. When I finish setting all of the areas where I placed the concealer, I like to go ahead and highlight my face. I like to use the COVERFX Custom Enhancer Drops And I have a very beat up bottle because this has lasted me a very long time. I believe these are in the shade Sunlight, but if I'm wrong, then I'll just correct that in the description box. So once I'm done with the highlighter, I will go ahead and set the rest of my face using the same Laura Mercier translucent powder. So once I'm done with my face makeup, I like to move on to my eyebrows. So first I'm going to brush them out. Once I'm done brushing them out, I go in with the NYX Micro Brow Pencil and I outline them and fill them in a bit. I'm sorry, I was finding it super difficult to do my eyebrows with just one hand, so I hope you don't mind that I did them off camera. Now I'm just going to go ahead and set them. I'm using the NYX Control Freak Eyebrow Gel. It's just a clear eyebrow gel. Now that I'm completely done with my eyebrows, I'm going to go in with some bronzer. So I'm using the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer, and this is just in the shade Bronzer. Next, I'm going to curl my eyelashes and apply some mascara. I'm using the Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara. So my camera died, but all I did was finish applying one coat of mascara to my eyelashes, and I also applied a little bit of blush. I used the Urban Decay blush in the shade Score. My last step is to apply some setting spray, so for that I'll be using the Urban Decay All Nighter. That's it for my everyday makeup routine. As I said in the intro, I don't wear makeup every single day, but when I do, it looks a little something like this. If you enjoyed this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up, and if you're interested in seeing more from me in the future, please be sure to subscribe. Until next time.